In today's video, I'm going to open up this Secret Santa present. Today's video is the very first, the inaugural Aussie Teacher Tuber Secret Santa. There are a few people involved in this, so make sure you check the links underneath this video to watch everybody's unboxing, unwrapping, unopening of their presents. So I organised this, I matched everybody up, and I'm really excited to see everybody's presents. And next year, I hope that we have more people involved to make it even more fun. So I'm going to open up this parcel. This parcel arrived for me a few days ago, and I kind of know who it's from, but the idea is that you have to guess who it's from. So we'll see how we go. Okay, I already cut that open, so we don't need that. It's beautifully wrapped in this gold wrapping. Thank you, Santa. Let's have a look. So when I was growing up, we were not allowed to tear the paper because my grandmother would reuse all of the paper. So all of us grandkids, and there are quite a few, I'm the eldest of lots. I think I have, counting both sides, I have 27 cousins. 27 first cousins. Okay, so let me just explain to you, it's hard. It's rectangular. It feels like it could be maybe a book, or there's a plastic box inside, maybe, of some description. Oh, there's another box. There's another box. Oh, and look at this. I didn't catch this because I was looking the other way. Look at all this confetti. They're all like little, cute little Christmas tree confetti. Christmas trees and angels. Oh, I love that. That is so cool. All right, this says repurposed packaging. I think I need to go and get a pair of scissors for this because it's really well sticky taped. Okay, I need scissors. Hang on a minute. I'm back and I have scissors. So we're just going to open this up here, and I'm just going to talk to you what we do. So we've got, actually I might just move this out of the way. And the cute little Christmas trees and angels. I know you can't see them, but they're super cute. It's being wrapped really well. I'll just show you that message again. It says repurposed packaging for the win. Am I right? I love that. Okay, let me see. I'm just going to have to cut the ends because there we go. Now I'm in. And I might have to do both ends here. Got it. Okay, let's get rid of all this stuff here. Oh, there's more. Did you see that in the present can? There's more of these little confettis. I love this so much. Okay, so, oh, and there's even more, like all in the box here. That's super cool. Okay, so pretty ribbon, and looks like a card. So we'll just open this up. Oh, look at that. It says, lovers of learning assemble. I wonder if I'm supposed to read this now or at the end. I might read it at the end. Okay. Beautiful tissue paper. It's a book. Oh, wow. That is so cool. A history of the Bible, the book and its faiths. Oh, that is awesome. Look at that. That is so great. And the chapters, the Old Testament, the New Testament, the Bible and its texts, the meanings of the Bible. This is awesome. I am really, really, really going to enjoy this. I know who it is. Okay, let's read the card. It says, lovers of learning assemble. Okay, this is what it says. It says, I was a tad distressed by your need to recreate annotations of an English text this year. So much work lost. That was when my T.S. Eliot poems went missing and I had to redo the whole thing. It took me hours. But because you'd already mastered the learnings, also easily recalled. Amusingly, you then found the originals. I did. I found, not all of them, but I found some of the originals. Probably one of the best things to happen this year. The book you're holding came across my feed sometime in 2019. The hardcover version was lauded by the theologians. It is Tolkien, they intoned reverently. An ecclesiastical le carre, nay, a Herbert, and now a soft cover edition is in the works. Drool. Yes. I pre-ordered it. Let's just say it doesn't disappoint for critical rigor. Not all the learnings are comfortable, but then I contend that a faith which cannot bear scrutiny is not worth much. I commend you for your endurance this year and through the good and bad times alike, your transparency and good humour to your followers. Here's to lifelong learning, truth and great writing. Thank you. Oh my goodness. The confetti is made from gum leaves. Yeah. That is so awesome. The confetti is made from gum leaves. I just assumed before that it was like some kind of a very thin cardboard or almost plywood, but it's gum leaves. That is so cool. Oh wow. And the book and everything. Thank you, Graham. If you don't follow Graham, you need to go and follow him. He's on Instagram and YouTube as Graham Does Maths, and he is a teacher in training, and you will really enjoy his expertise. His videos are beautiful and very well crafted. And thank you, Graham. I love this. I love it. Very well chosen. Make sure you go and watch all of the videos, which I will link underneath this, and I hope that you and your family have a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And until I see you again, don't forget to teach well, live well, and be well. Oh my goodness, I nearly fell into the tree. Oh, my laundry basket's there. This framing is a bit off. And it's so hot. It's really hot in here. Oh my goodness. Oh, my foot. Today's video is the inaugural Aussie teacher. I don't know why I'm doing this. No. In today's video, no. This video is the inaugural Secret Santa. This video is, I'm going to say that at the end.